Fortune Weavers coming to you from Southern California. We're at our home renovation purchase project in Fullerton, California, and I'm looking at the panel. There's a new panel installed. I want to show you a couple things. One thing missing here in our local code requires what's called arc fault breakers, and these are breakers that get tied to each bedroom in case a little kid sticks a fork in it. It doesn't blow the child up, doesn't zap them or anything like this. So if you look closely, this is a 200 amp panel, very few breakers, and AC needs that 30 amp, so that's good. So we got new AC, but we're missing arc faults, so this is something I'm going to talk to the contractor about and make sure we get those installed, because it will never pass inspection without the arc fault breakers. Hey, little tips that we can give you here in our local market, and so hopefully that helps you. Again, Sam Weaver with Fortune Weavers. See you on the flip side.